Imagine this, a single $5,000 investment quietly growing faster than what most people earn in an entire month, and eventually outperforming what many earn in an entire year. That's not hype. That's the raw power of smart investing, compound interest, and the right Fidelity index funds working around the clock for your financial future. Here's the truth most people never hear. Financial freedom doesn't come from endlessly chasing higher salaries, promotions, or lucky breaks. It comes from learning how to invest, building real financial literacy, and putting your money into proven, low-cost, high-performing index funds that grow whether you're working, sleeping, or living your life. Fidelity index funds are some of the most reliable tools for this, built for beginners, powerful for experienced investors, and engineered for long-term wealth. In today's video, I'll break down exactly how $5,000 in the right Fidelity index funds can outperform 90% of salaries, beat traditional saving strategies, and put you on the path to real financial independence. I'll show you these 3 funds in reverse order. Each one adds more value to your investments, and the number 1 fund that can potentially grow your one-time $5,000 investment into over $1.2 million. But that's not all. At the end, I will show you how the combined portfolio of these ETFs can generate a whopping $1.8 million. Welcome to Investments Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Before we continue, please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Let's dive in. At number 3 is the Fidelity MSCI Consumer Discretionary Index ETF, ticker symbol FDIS. This ETF taps directly into the power of consumer spending, specifically the non-essentials people buy when confidence is high and wallets are open. Entertainment, dining, electronics, travel. These are the industries that thrive during economic strength, and FDIS gives you broad, efficient access to all of them. The fund's expense ratio is an ultra-lean 0.08%. With a $5,000 investment, you're paying just $4 per year in fees. That's practically nothing for exposure to some of the most influential consumer-driven companies in the world. FDIS is anchored by 3 heavyweights. Amazon commands 22.88% of the portfolio, Tesla holds 16.64%, and Home Depot contributes 6.01%. For this analysis, I'm using an average annual return of 13.23%, a dividend yield of 0.69%, and a dividend growth rate of 8.65%, with dividends reinvested automatically. After 1 year, your $5,000 generates $661.50 in capital gains at 13.23%, plus $34.50 in dividends, for a total value of $5,696. After 10 years, capital climbs to $17,271, and dividends hit $1,000, bringing you to $18,271. After 20 years, capital appreciation grows to $63,550, with dividends adding $1,500, totaling $65,050. After 30 years, your initial $5,000 surges to $220,500 in capital appreciation, and reinvested dividends add $42,925, bringing your total to $229,500. Here's why the math works so powerfully. Your principal compounds at 13.23% annually, with each year's growth building on the last. Starting at 0.69%, your dividends begin at $34.50 in year 1 and grow 8.65% each year. When reinvested, those dividends buy more shares, and those new shares generate their own dividends and returns. That's the force multiplier. In 30 years, $5,000 can become roughly $229,500, a remarkable 46 times return. At number 2 is the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index ETF, ticker symbol ONEQ. If the NASDAQ is synonymous with innovation, ONEQ is your direct ticket into that world. This ETF embodies the pulse of modern growth, technology, communication, and the disruptive companies reshaping how we live and work. With concentrated exposure to giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon, ONEQ positions you squarely in the center of today's technological revolution. What makes ONEQ even more compelling is how cost-efficient it is for accessing such high-powered growth sectors. More than 50% of its holdings sit in technology companies, with the rest spread across consumer cyclicals and communications. This gives you diversification while still keeping your capital focused on the industries driving digital transformation, global connectivity, and rapid innovation. For this projection, I'm using ONEQ's historical average annual return of 15.48%, a dividend yield of 0.65%, and a dividend growth rate of 8.46%, with dividends fully reinvested to capture every ounce of compounding. After 1 year, your $5,000 grows by $774 at a 15.48% return rate, plus $32.50 in dividends, for a total value of $5,806.50. After 10 years, capital reaches $21,234, and dividends accumulate to $745, totaling $21,979. After 20 years, capital appreciation hits $93,127, with dividends contributing $3,852, giving you $96,979 in total. After 30 years, your initial $5,000 skyrockets to $347,768 in capital growth, while reinvested dividends add $31,732, resulting in a total value of $379,500. Here's the engine behind this explosive growth. Your principal compounds at 15.48% annually, and because each year's gains are calculated on a growing base, your returns accelerate over time. Dividends start at 0.65% of your investment, $32.50 in year one, and rise 8.46% annually. Once reinvested, those dividends buy more shares, and those shares generate returns and additional dividends. It's a compounding feedback loop that grows stronger every year. Over 30 years, your $5,000 can potentially become $379,500, a staggering 76 times return. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, even just a little, please subscribe and hit the like button to help us continue to provide more insightful and educational videos. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF, ticker symbol FTEC. If ONEQ puts you in the driver's seat of innovation, FTEC straps you into a rocket. This ETF is a pure, undiluted bet on the explosive growth of the information technology sector. With 99.28% of its holdings in tech, FTEC is entirely focused on the companies reshaping the world. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and other industry-defining giants dominate the lineup. Apple leads the pack at 16.67%, with Nvidia and Microsoft right behind it, making this fund a dream for anyone who believes technology is the engine of the future. What elevates FTEC even further is its razor-thin expense ratio of 0.08%, giving investors maximum exposure to tech's upside at minimal cost. For our projections, I'm using FTEC's dividend yield of 0.49%, a dividend growth rate of 10.06%, and a powerful average annual return of 19.76%, with all dividends reinvested to maximize compounding. After 1 year, your $5,000 grows by $988 at a 19.76% return rate, plus $24.50 in dividends, totaling $6,012.50. After 10 years, capital reaches $31,200 and dividends accumulate to $1,000, totaling $32,200. After 20 years, capital appreciation hits $191,090 with dividends adding $6,000, bringing your value to $197,090. After 30 years, your $5,000 explodes into $1,196,500 from appreciation, with dividends adding $21,695, resulting in a total value of $1,218,195. Here's the engine behind these extraordinary results. Your investment compounds at 19.76% annually, with each year's growth calculated on the previous year's expanding value. Dividends begin at 0.49%, $24.50 in year one, and rise 10.06% per year. Once reinvested, they buy more shares, and those shares generate their own returns and dividends, amplifying growth every single year. Over 3 decades, your $5,000 can potentially grow to $1,218,195, a jaw-dropping 244 times return. Now, let's bring everything together in one clear picture. By combining FDIS, WONAQ, and FTIC, each with a $5,000 allocation, you build a $15,000 portfolio designed for powerful, long-term growth. This blend captures the strength of consumer spending through FDIS, broad innovation and market exposure through ONEQ, and high-velocity technology expansion through FTEC. Together, they create a balanced yet growth-focused strategy rooted in 3 of the most influential forces in today's economy. After 1 year, FDIS grows to $5,696, ONEQ to $5,806.50, and FTEC to $6,012.50, bringing your total to $17,515, an immediate $2,515 gain. By year 5, compounding widens the gap. FDIS reaches $9,253, ONEQ grows to $10,079, and FTEC climbs to $12,352, creating a combined value of $31,684. At the 10-year mark, your portfolio expands dramatically. FDIS hits $18,271, ONEQ rises to $21,979, and FTEC accelerates to $32,200, lifting your total to $72,450, nearly 5 times your initial investment. After 20 years, long-term compounding transforms your returns. FDIS reaches $65,050, ONEQ rises to $96,979, and FTEC reaches $197,090, totaling $359,119, a 23 times increase from where you started. After 30 years, the portfolio achieves extraordinary growth. FDIS reaches $229,500, ONEQ expands to $379,500, and FTEC surges to $1,218,195, turning your original $15,000 into $1,827,195, more than 121 times your starting amount. Although FTEC drives the biggest returns, combining it with ONEQ and FDIS builds a more stable, diversified, and resilient growth engine. This is the most effective way to achieve financial freedom without gambling. If you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth the smart way. Please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you, my friend.